Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video. Xiaomi's popular wearable Mi Band 3 was launched in May alongside their flagship Mi 8. Mi Band 3 comes in a small and transparent packaging and contains the usual accessories. First of all, we have the band. Then we have the charger, which is identical to Mi Band 2's charger, and then some manuals which are not in English as I got it from aliexpress.com. If you want to buy this, then the direct link is present in the description box below. And this is the Chinese variant, but hopefully it will be released in India very soon, and my pricing guess is going to be 1,999. So what's new with the Mi Band 3? When it comes to specifications, display is bigger as it is 0.78 inches OLED capacitive screen as compared to 0.42 inches display of the Mi Band 2. Resolution is 128 by 80 pixels. It also has a feature wherein the display turns on just by raising the Mi Band 3, similar to Mi Band 2 and many other bands which are available in the market. But the water resistance has been increased to 5 atmospheric pressure, which is equivalent to about 50 meters submission. Mi Band 2 only had an IP67 rating. Mi Band 3 also has NFC variant unlike its predecessor, but that variant will cost you more, and that variant is not available in China yet, and I don't expect the NFC variant to launch in India anyways. The battery is now 110 mAh instead of 70 mAh of Mi Band 2, and the company claims 20 days of battery life on a single charge. Mi Band 3 is very comfortable to wear due to its 20-gram lightweight construction, including the band. Bluetooth 4.2 low energy allows Mi Band 2 to pair it to the phone. The setup process is also really easy. Just download the Mi Fit app from the Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your preferred platform. After signing into the app, click on Tap to pair the device. Select Band and click OK to allow the band to collect the data. Allow permissions to access location, contacts and other permissions it will ask for. Turn on Bluetooth and just keep the band close to the phone. After the connection is established, it will prompt you to tap the band to pair. So just lightly tap on the band and the pairing process is done. To start receiving notifications, go in Mi Band 3 and then click over here and allow these settings. Allowing this is must if you want to see these type of notifications on your Mi Band 3. Mi Band 3 uses swipe gesture based UI with horizontal and vertical swipes, and the capacitive button which is present can be used as a back button. Swiping vertically shows the main features and horizontal swipe shows the submenus within the main screen. Firstly, it has the watch face, obviously it's a watch after all, and then the pedometer. Swiping left shows the distance traveled, calories burnt and the battery status. The heart rate monitor is also present. The weather forecast of 3 days notification screen which houses all the notifications for calls and messages, and then more features screen which includes timer, silent mode, find my phone, different watch faces, etc. After pairing Mi Band 3 with your phone, it will offer you various features like rejecting and accepting incoming calls. It didn't work with WhatsApp call, it just showed a missed call notification. Notifications of messages from WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS, etc. work quite well. Clearing the notification on the Mi Band 3 clears the notification on the phone and vice versa. Various fitness tracking features in Mi Fit app are fairly comprehensive, and I'll talk about them in my review. You can also use the Mi Band 3 to unlock your phone by using the smart unlock feature present on your phone. We also compared the heart rate monitor of Mi Band 3 with S9 Plus's heart monitor just to make sure that Mi Band 3 doesn't perform similar to Mi Band 2's heart rate sensor, which was not good by any means. And the accuracy and results were quite comparable, even though I would still prefer to go with S9 Plus's heart rate monitor as compared to Mi Band 3. So this was just a brief look at the new Mi Band 3, and the full review will be out after testing it thoroughly for at least a month, because you cannot review a fitness band without actually using it. I don't know how people unbox it and review it immediately. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this video, then do let me know about that in the comment section box below. I'll try to answer those queries in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then click on my face right now and get subscribed, because many more awesome videos like this are going to come real soon on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.